So today we are going to talk about smartphone photography and how it impacts our life and how you can probably also make a career out of it if you want to, side income. So a very 2-3 minutes exercise before we start the whole thing so that we all on the same platform and थोड़ा energy आ जाए सब में. So basically I'll say 1, 2, ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Great. So this was a short exercise. Now okay, cool. My action will be wrong, your action have to be right. Okay. Touch your ears. No, there's no sorry thing. It is basically how we get confused between the mind and what we talk. So the action is something else, but we have been told to do something, but we are doing something else. This happens in daily life. मम्मी बोलती है कि कुछ लेके आओ, आप कुछ और लेके आ जाते हो. होता है ना? फिर गालियाँ पड़ती है. Touch your eyes. Those days there was no digital photography system. We had a small camera and it used to have a roll concept. Do you all know about it? You all must have seen it, of course. You had to put a roll and there would be 36 shots. There was no screen. You had to take a shot, भगवान भरोसे जाके दे दो. Out of 36 shots, 1 or 2 good pictures and maybe some are washed out, some are too dark. So that was the problem. But today, because of mobile photography, things are so accessible. Now suppose you are traveling and you see your favorite TV actor, celebrity, cricketer. What do you do? Just tell, sir, one selfie please. Right? You remove your phone and sir, one selfie and you got the memory. That is the best camera. So in a mobile phone, when you start doing a photography, it teaches you a lot of things before you advance to the next level and buy a camera for yourself.
I just click random photos in daily life, but I know what is the exactly angle, settings and what we should use in the photograph.
In today's time, we all are on Instagram, social media, and what could be more better than having to shoot, edit and upload on social media.
From this session, I have learned to do proper use of mobile photography, the functions which we have given in the mobile, where and how to establish them.
We learn more things about mobile camera, mobile photography.
Learn about photography, learn about composition, see how we can control exposure, how we can get right shot, how we can do proper framing. When you buy a phone, 48 megapixel, I have 102 megapixel. So this megapixel is a very big myth that people are falling for. Don't fall for that. I have this bottle which I have bought with me. I want you all to take a shot of this bottle. Whoever takes a creative shot, this bottle goes to that person as a small gift from my side.
I would like to thank Sadiq sir for this wonderful gift that they have given to me. From this gift and the session, I have learned that you have to focus on your photography and your career also. And a lot of things that I have learned, that frame and composition is also important while capturing the photos.
So look at, this is Ayush's shot, nice and clean shot. Basically what he used the technique, this is a center composition. See this, ऐसा लग रहा है कि बॉटल में से स्पार्क्स निकल रहा है और फायर फ्लाइज होता है ना, दैट काइंड ऑफ फायर फ्लाइज. ये हम इनको बाटली अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. So this is for you. You can take this back home. Because it is not only about talking in a session, but also making people do things so that they understand and relate to what I'm trying to talk over here. How you can make things look better by making small changes.
मतलब मुझे बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी थी कि मतलब स्मार्टफोन फोटोग्राफी यानी क्या होता है और सर क्या बताने वाले हैं. तो फिर हम मतलब फ़ोटो लेते हैं लेकिन ऐसे कुछ सोचते नहीं है, लेने के लिए फ़ोटो लेते हैं. बट आज समझ में आया कि मतलब फ़ोटो भी डिफरेंट वे से ले सकते हैं.
How many of you all know that you all have a grid in your camera? Have you all activated those grid? Placement of the subject in a particular frame is very important. So this is basically called as an optical zoom. Means I actually have the hardware optical lenses which are giving me that zoom. So I will not lose out on the quality.
Sir motivated us, and apart from this, sir taught us the lessons of how the photography should be done in a perfect manner, because it was very great experience for me as well.
ठीक है, I'll just show you one activity. Sit down. Okay, थोड़ा यहाँ आ जाओ. बस. थोड़ा सा इधर. बस. Now, if I tell anybody of you all to take a shot, what you would do is, you would take this shot like this, है ना? Without doing anything. ऐसा रख के आपने ले लिया. But what is happening? He is against the light.
can connect with photography, and we can learn which problems they are facing. Sir, it was a very valuable session.
When you're doing photography, you connect with people, you talk to them. It keeps you grounded. No matter what position in life, you all go ahead. When you start your career, you become VP or become CEOs, you become MDs. Always stay grounded because you also started from that level and you reach that level. If you're an eagle, don't hang out with a crow. All the time, you'll only do caw, 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 caw. That means if you have ambitions, be with those people who are having that level of ambition with you. You can share your thought, people at that level. Eagle has a very clear vision. From great height, it comes down and it never misses. The moment you start to panic, you don't think clear and you make you're in a mess and it's all over.
And the most important is eagle study. It's very important for us day to day life.
Pressure is privilege. हर किसी की बस की बात नहीं है प्रेशर हैंडल करना. स्ट्रेस हम सब ले सकते हैं. At times, in the stage of life that you may be having financial issues, somebody must be having relationship issues, somebody must be having some other issues. And जो past में हो गया, let it go. So see how you can take any kind of problem in life or in your work, in your stride, and analyze what is the root cause of the problem and how I can break it down. Don't look at a problem as a problem. We all have problems in life. Look at it as an opportunity that it is going to teach. Every problem will teach you something and go. Because there is no growth in a comfort zone. So when you join your job, you need to know when to make that switch from this job to this job, from this job to this job, because you have to grow in life, right? Challenge yourself, make good money, because when you retire, then you have with that money, you can do whatever you want to do.
Today I really feel like a celebrity, just going on with action mode and being present in front of all my students and Satik sir, who actually told us how to use that mobile in such a way. And this mobile phone photography workshop really showed us that boundaries that we should never crave for ourselves. And I believe if we enjoy anything, so there are no limits to our happiness.
Your parents have made a lot of sacrifices. Your father, your mother probably would want to buy some jewelry. She didn't buy. क्यों? मेरी बच्ची को पढ़ना है. Father wanted to buy an expensive car, wanted to buy an expensive scooter, watch, anything. नहीं, मैं अभी नहीं, मैं बाद में अपने अरमान पूरा करूँ. क्यों? मेरे बच्चे को पढ़ना है. My child to study, make career and be self-sufficient for himself. Taking selfies to impress others at such locations which are very dangerous. Standing in a running train, putting your face out, taking a selfie, not good. Standing on a cliff of a mountain, going behind and just to show the valley, to show the world, see what I've captured, not good. Never take your parents for granted. They have put in a lot of efforts just to do shusha on social media, to show people, see, I'm on the tallest mountain, highest peak, I'm doing this stunt. Anything goes wrong, nobody from social media will come and help you or feel bad about you. Social media is an absolute fake world. Get it from me? Instagram, I have 26,000 followers, whatever it is. But when you're going to a tough time, not a single follower or a subscriber will come and tell, hey, what happened? Nobody cares. It's an absolute fake world. Do not go and impress people on a social media. They have nothing to do with you. God forbid, XYZ person goes on a cliff, on a highest peak, take a shot, and he falls, he dies. Nobody cares a damn. People care a damn. Do not go to impress people by taking any kind of risk, because there is somebody waiting out for you. Not somebody, you have your parents waiting for you. Nobody is more important than your parents. Unfortunately, in today's time, people get into a relationship and suddenly that person is so important that parents are not important at all.
जो अभी आपका सेशन हुआ उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. लाइफ का एक अलग सा तरीका आपने जीने का सिखाया.